Create a luxury shower experience. This loofah brush creates the perfect shower experience by gently cleaning and exfoliating to remove oil, dirt, and dead skin cells to reveal vibrant skin. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin and improves circulation. A small amount of shower gel with this back scrubber creates a rich and luxurious lather to enrich your shower experience. Cleanse Revitalize. Use our shower scrubber to massage away dead skin cells, dirt, and oil and reveal smoother, softer skin. This back brush has a large mesh surface, and is perfect for smoothing rough areas of skin such as the feet and elbows. Long handle for easy cleansing. This body wash brush is the answer you've been looking for. You don't have to be a contortionist to use it. The 16-long brush helps you wash even the hardest to reach places with ease. The easy-to-grip handle provides peace of mind that it won't slip while wet, and is constructed to be extremely durable. Cleans with ease. Simply rinse under water to remove residue from body wash, soap, body scrubs, or anything else. The looped cord at the end of the handle is perfect to hang for drying and easy storage. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect bath brush for those who cannot bend. We have had some problems this season with deliveries not up by our door. Meantime, the majority of our orders have been right up to our door under a small roof. I really love having the photo of the delivery given to us. Being handicapped, I do not have to get up and go to the door. All 5 stars for UPS drivers and my Amazon Prime purchases.